first, I want to zero in on AMLAC. When they came out with records that actually show over 6.7 billion pesos of, I would call it movement, kasi cash inflow and outflow. Meaning, may pumasok, may lumabas from both VP Sara and her husband, Attorney Mans Carpio. Is this true?
Well, the Vice President has clearly denied na may ganyan siyang kalaking pera na dumaan sa, na nagkaroon siya at any one time or, na ganyan kalaking pera or even any amount remotely close to it. No? Yan ang talagang sinasabi niya. Whatever is declared in his salin, yun talaga yung laman. Now, I think that's why also, as you know, the defense team has been very, I guess the Tagalog word is mailap, no, sa interviews, because we are of course preparing our defenses and all these things, but we do feel the need to at least clarify these matters right now, no, para maintindihan ng tao. So when you look at an AMLAC report, an AMLC report, at least the way we interpret it is yung figures na nandun refer to transactions, right? And when they say transactions, it's the aggregate transactions. Ibig sabihin po nun, lahat ng pumasok at lahat ng lumabas sa bangko. So, why are we saying now that this is probably not the most accurate way of reflecting kung magkano talaga ang pera ng Vice Presidente sa mga panahon na yon, no? It's because, for example, I need to, I guess, give at least an example. For example, ang isang tao nag-deposit ng 10,000 pesos sa bank account niya. Tapos, pinambayad niya yung 10,000 pesos. So, winidraw niya yon. So now you have an inflow. That's an inflow.
Okay.
Diba? And then, winidraw niya para pambayad niya, that's an outflow. No? So, ngayon, sa records ng AMLAC, meron kang 10,000 na inflow. Meron ka ring 10,000 na outflow. But actually, in reality, zero na yung pera mo dun sa account na yon. And that can go on and on through a span of, in this case, 18 to 19 years. I'm not sure kasi kung hanggang 2025 or 2024 yung naging basihan, no? So, but 18 to 19 years of all these things, inflow, outflow, pwede rin namang fund transfer from maybe one of my accounts to another one of my accounts, diba? That is an outflow from one account, inflow from one account, but actually it's the same amount of money. Yan yung sinasabi natin. But again, medyo mahirap po talaga magbigay ng direct answer sa ngayon. I'll have to admit that. Kasi unang-una, dun sa AMLAC reports, it refers to transactions. Hindi naman natin alam kung ilang accounts yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, ano yung nature ng mga accounts, time depth ba yan, all these things, no?